Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Sparkplugs. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to make this well-dimensioned frame structure in Fusion 360 the quickest way possible. So I will not be assuming any dimension. I'm just going to show you the quickest trick by which you can be making these frames very quick. So first of all, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I will be making a basic structure or a solid structure of the frame. If suppose that if I just imagine that this, instead of frame, this is a solid box, so this is going to be a cuboid. So let's get started. So I will start by making a cuboid here. So there's an option for box, a plane here, and I'm going to draw a box. Again, I am not taking any dimension. It's all up to you. You can just take any dimension you want. Suppose that this is, I'm going to making a new component. Now let's suppose that this is the outermost profile of our frame. Now just go to create, go to pipe. Here's an option for pipe, and the section is going to be a square, of course, and select the chain selection, undo the chain selection, press Ctrl and select all these top profile, and this is going to be asking our section size. So let's make it 6. Yeah, I think 6. Okay, let's make it 8. Yeah, 8 is okay. And there's an option for called hollow, and just click on this, and section thickness, this is the thickness of the pipe that you want to be. So let's make it 2 mm, 1.5, and this is going to be our new component. So we have a pipe here. If I just go to inspect and create a section analysis, you will see that this pipe is actually hollow with a thickness of 1.5 mm, and the center of this pipe is at the edge of the box. Now again repeat the command of pipe, and this time select this edge like this, and repeat the same step like this again for this one, again for this one also. Repeat the same step here also, and for the bottom one select all these 4 edges like this and press OK. Now you may hide the first component that we have created. Now we have a basic structure here. Now as for the cross section area, let's just assume that this is going to be our I need one sketch from here also. So let's just hide this component for now, from one pipe from here to here. So go to pipe, select this time this one and press OK. Now you may hide the sketch. Now the only thing left is to cut the pipe unnecessary pipe. So for that, just create an sketch here and make a rectangle. I am just going to cut the excess pipe that we have here with me. So just extrude cut these pipes like this, and just bring back the body down we have here. Now repeat the same step for this pipe also. Okay, now bring back all the bodies. So this is how you create, and repeat the same step for the bottom also. Let me just okay, I will do it. I think the concept to you guys are clear. There is not much complications here, of course. Just hide the body which you don't want to erase. Otherwise, there's an option called here also objects to cut. You may uncheck the body that you don't want to cut. Now here's how is the quickest way to make your frame structure. So it depends upon the complexity of this profile, but this is the basic trick that you guys should use while making the frame structures in Fusion 360. Hope you guys will enjoy. Do share and subscribe, and don't forget to share any queries. Thank you and have a nice day.